Alexa, open ESP8266.
Welcome to the ESP8266 example.
Alexa, tell ESP8266 turn the LED on.
Okay.
Alexa, tell ESP8266 turn the LED off.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? So I've just spent the last 3 weekends looking into the ESP8266. I've been curious about IoT, Internet of Things, for a while now, and I finally put some time into it. And I'm going to share with you what I've learned. So for those of you that don't already know, the ESP8266 is basically a small, low-cost Wi-Fi module with microcontroller capabilities. What does that mean? It means you can connect to the internet and send and receive messages that translate into physical actions. Now, there are a few versions of these out there, but my personal preference was the ESP1 and the Node MCU development board. To program these, I found the 3 most common ways were using AT commands and Arduino, custom firmware like the ESP8266 library on Arduino, and Lua script with the eSplorer IDE for the Node MCU. Now, you really only need to know one of these, but I did end up taking a look at all 3, and to be honest, I quite like them all. So I think it's just up to personal preference as to what you want to use. I did write some basic logic to toggle an LED using GET and POST requests from the browser using all 3 methods, and I'll leave a link in the description below. But fair warning, it's probably not enough just to have the code, so if you do decide to take things further, you'll probably need to do a bit more research as well. I have tried to leave some comments and explanations in the code to try and make it a little easier for various experience levels, but because it really is just a bunch of code I wrote quite quickly for test purposes, there are definitely blocks of code that I've left in that could probably be removed. That being said, the code is all there, and with a bit of tweaking you can get all 3 of them to work. Okay, Alexa. So I might make another video on this just because it was quite interesting, but basically after being able to toggle an LED with GET and POST requests to the ESP8266, setting up the correct port forwarding, and making the LED controllable from anywhere in the world with internet, it was actually relatively easy to get Alexa to control the LED. And that's because with Amazon Alexa, you can create a skill that listens for an utterance, or something you say, which then fires a message to an endpoint of your choice, from which you can then take control. Super cool project, really fun. Obviously I haven't gone into too much detail here, but if you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I can try and point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching.